Alright, and welcome to a new review. Today we're gonna take a look at the Doom RTA by DamnVape. Now this is going to be a mesh RTA, which it says right on the box. Typical DamnVape packaging, black and red. We've seen that before. On the front, little window where you can already see the RTA, some branding. On the bottom side, nothing. On the top side, nothing. On the side, there's going to be some barcodes with the color and a scratch and sniff. On the other side, the website, damnvape.com, and on the back, some information about the company and what's in the box. Give that a freeze frame. We have Doom RTA, some pointers. They want you to know what's in the box, some warnings of course, the address and the way to contact DamnVape. Right, let's have a look inside. Now this normally comes with wrapping around it, but I was curious, so I took that off already. Inside the box, of course, is going to be the RTA. We'll have a look at that soon. A extra glass with Doom. I don't know if it's etched or if it's printed on it. That looks to be printed. See, you can scratch it off. We have what seems to be some sort of tool. On the bottom of the box, two mesh strips. Both seems to be Kenthal. One hex mesh and one quad mesh. A bag of cotton, a bag of spare parts, some sort of key, some extra O-rings, extra screws, and of course a user manual. Nothing fancy, just 5-step simple explanation. Right, let's have a look at the RTA itself. Now, because I'm in the Netherlands, I'm of course going to have the TPD, which explains the silicone filling in the tank, which limits it to 2 milliliter. At first sight it doesn't look that bad. A10 drip tip. Let me see. Yeah, you can fit any A10 if you want. Little bit of scratching. Nothing too bad. The threading was actually pretty nice. Now to reach the coil you have to take off this bottom part. It says Doom, designed by DamnVape, and then here on the bottom is the deck. I'll go over that shortly. Have a look in the barrel. No idea what's inside of that. I'll take that apart. See? Yeah, as you can see, silicone ring, just to make it TPD compliant. Yeah, that's actual glass. Again here, nothing too serious. A lot of sharp edges. The airflow ring comes off, but And this is what I was curious about. I don't know how well you are going to see that. Looks like some Fiji or water or something, I don't know. Machining on the inside could have been a lot better. That's a bit of a shame. Could be so much better. Right here you'll have the liquid ports, which come out here, and here on the side is going to be the airflow ports. Right, then we have the deck. Some weird silicone things here. So the juice is gonna come into here, and the airflow is gonna go like this. So you have massive juice ports. Screws are pretty nice, and it's not spring loaded, so you're gonna have to do that yourself. Machining on the deck is pretty good. Right, well, we're going to put a build in it. We'll go back on top and we'll vape it. So, see you in a minute. The Doom RTA, which is very bright for some reason, but whatever. On top of the Snowwolf 218 triple battery, 75 watts. It's reading 0.12. I don't want to lie. I kind of like it and I kind of hate it. And there's two reasons. I'm not a huge fan of mesh. I know it has great flavor, great cloud production, but for one, the amount of cotton you have to stuff inside is huge. I mean, not that cotton is the most expensive thing, but again, flavor on the Doom is great as well. Good airflow. And that's it. It's so easy to get a dry hit with mesh. Now, I've done a lot of different types of wicking on this RTA, but for some reason when I pull like a real long deep inhale, at the end is going to be that little bitty itty bitty hint of dry hit, and that's what I don't like about mesh. So in itself it's kind of a good RTA, very flavorful, very good with the airflow. You can dial it down, let's see, to 2 holes, and then even to 1 hole, which, well, it's not going to be an MTL tank, but like all mesh, things. It's great for very flavorful short hits. If you take a hit, 3-4 seconds, mesh goes straight out the window for me. It wicks pretty quick. For one, there's a ton of cotton in it. So the second time you pull, that hint of dryness is gonna be gone. And I can promise you, it's not the way it's wicked, because I've tried several ways, several different cottons. I always have the same outcome. So, if you're looking for short hits, very flavorful, well, it's not going to be warm because it's mesh, so a bit of a cold draw. Yeah, it's a good tank. For me personally, no, it's just not what I enjoy vaping. But if you necessarily want a mesh tank, take this into consideration. It's pretty nice, pretty good. Okay, that's it for me. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. Share, comment, whatever you want. If you want to say something, if you want to see more of me, hit subscribe and the bell next to it. That way every time I upload a new video, you are gonna get a message and you're not gonna miss out on anything. Right, like I said, that's it for me. And the Jew RTA by DamnVape. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.